So I made what I called the sink back draining board, which is something I created to utilize a bit better space in my house. Not really thinking that I would make it available for other people. It was really just my thing, but I did it. I put it up. It's doing quite well considering it's only been up there for a short amount of time, and I'm already thinking about customizing it. So the original file came with the sink bat itself stripped into 4 separate pieces. I built it very simply in Blender. I'm learning how all this works. You get 2 grates and an organizer. But what I've done now, I've created a separate bunch of files because people were having, requests and a few little problems, I guess. So what I've done now is made, in addition to what you get, there's another download, which I'll put the link into the main description. But now you get all of these grates and the organizer as one file in a 3MF file, which you can then download and do with as you wish. So let's try and get this in here. This is always a bit tricky. There we go. So you can see it here. You print 2 of these, 1 of these, and you'll get enough stuff to just fill out the whole draining board. This is sort of optional. So it's like a kit basically to sort of pimp out your model, and you end up with that. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So yeah, sink back draining board with a couple of grates is one thing, and then you can also download like the accessory pack or the pimp pack. I don't know what to call it yet, but I'll figure it out, and I will put a link to it in the original file, and I'll drop some links with this video as well. So that's it. So the important thing to note is you have 2 end pieces now, which are basically identical. They're just mirrors of each other. So you could just have a completely flat draining board. Maybe you just want to put cups on it. You can do that. That's fine. It just sort of finishes off the piece, basically makes it a little bit tidier. Or if you want, you can, all of these pieces are interchangeable and they slot and they move around. So, use them like Lego, see what you want to do with them. And if you've got any other suggestions, let me know. I will knock up some more stuff. I quite like the utilitarian sort of look to it. It's not flashy, but it does the job, and I'm very happy with it. And I guess more to come at some point. Anyhow, ta very much. Thanks for all downloading it, and like, share and subscribe. And remember, when you download free stuff from Maker World, you are actually helping me. I get points on Maker World, and those points go toward new nozzles, filament, and I'm trying to save up for a second printer so I can make these things a little bit faster, because I've got the FDM bug now and I want to play some more. Anyhow, ciao for now.